Hello everybody! In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can import your models from Sulk 3D. First I delete everything in this scene. Then I go to File, Append, and locate the folder with my pliers in it. Click, then I go to Pliers append, go to Collection, and then I choose the collection with the pliers I want. I'm going to use the pipe wrench clean and double click on it. Now I can zoom in and there is my pipe wrench. In EV, the material preview, I can look at it and its materials, and if I go to N while the empty is selected, to Item Properties, I can open and close it, change the resolution, and change, in this case, because it's a pipe wrench, I can change the property called Wide, and this basically moves the whole pliers back in those little holes. If you want to reposition it, for example, if you have a scene, very simple scene in this case, you can lift it up, front view, okay, and if you move, always make sure you have the empty selected, because all the parts of this pipe wrench are parented to the empty. That means if I move the empty, the rest will follow. And if you want to rotate it, the same thing, rotate the empty. And just almost never touch the individual parts, because yeah, the empty is much better. And you can press Alt R if you want to reset the rotation, or Alt G if you want to move it in the center of the world. And don't change the ratio between those scale values, because if I now set them all to 1, the pipe wrench is completely distorted. So that's important that you don't touch those values. Just press S to scale it. And if you want to remove it, you can just right click on the collection and press delete hierarchy. Then you can go up here where it's currently set to view layer and go to orphan data and press purge about 3 times until, if you press purge, there it says no orphan data blocks to purge. And then you can just file append and choose another pliers. Or if you want to save memory and want to render on your computer, don't want to change the wide or resolution or something, you can also use the link operator. It's basically the same thing. Instead, the only difference, if I go back to view layer, is that you have an empty, a whole plane axis where all of it is parented and you have no properties and can't change the materials and so on. And if you want to remove the linked objects, you can also just delete it. Make sure that you purge it enough times. Exactly. And then you can go to your Blender file and under materials. There is this material and seems fine, everything. So it's removed. And if I look, now we have something here that's called LF Metal Combination Pliers Clean, Pliers.blend. And those materials, they stay in your blend file basically forever until you manually delete them. So if you want to delete them, just press this linked icon and remove it. For the other one, the same. And now if you restart Blender, they will be gone, or you can purge them simply. And then you of course also have to purge the images. If you just restart Blender very often, or you don't care about memory that much, you don't have to purge it each time, but it's just for memory very efficient if you purge your things that you don't need anymore. So I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching, and bye.